Okay, so for this one here with the checkerboards, they might ask you to select something that's the same color just by using one click and not doing something like holding the direct selection tool and clicking on all of them while doing the shift key. Just one stroke of the key and you can get all of the pink ones. So you can do that with the magic wand tool. If you press Y, it will pull this up into your toolbar. So you can click on magic wand and then click on one of your pink squares and you see that they're all selected. So what I want you to do is make them a different color. So go over there to where it says fill and pick any color you want. Just make them a different color. All right, the next part of this question is I want you to put them all in their own layer group. So if you go to layers right now and we open up Artboard 1, you can see that all the blue squares that we have are mixed in with the purple ones, and I want to organize them. So what I want you to do is just get these first four, like hold the shift key and get those, and then click up here and say collect in a new layer. So you see they moved up in layer 4, and then you can grab these other ones one at a time or 3 at a time if they're next to each other and dump them all in there so that now we have layer 4 has all the blue squares. And you can double click in there and call this blue squares.